You're on the go, in the elevator, paying the check, and don't want to wait until you get back to your desk to use Salesforce to enter a meeting summary, update a contact record, or quickly check your pipeline. That's where the Salesforce Mobile App comes in. It will help you do your job and save you time while you're out of the office. And face it, you'd rather be spending less time in the office and more in the field. This course is all about the handy things you can do with the app on your mobile device. Internet connection is required. Although there are many options for retrieving and inputting information, we are only going to concentrate on what sales would find valuable based on what they have found valuable on the desktop. The app is ready to go right from the beginning. Let's start with installing the app. It works for both an iPhone and an Android device, as well as for tablets. First, download and install the Salesforce app from either the Apple Store or Google Play. When you open the app, this is what you'll see. Tap the Use Custom Domain button. The custom domain you will enter is Condé Nast US. Tap Continue. Now tap the SSO Okta button, and you will be prompted to enter your single sign-on credential, which is your network username and password. Once authenticated, it will log into the Salesforce app, and you're good to go. The data you'll see is exactly the same as on your desktop application. Any changes you make to the mobile app will be reflected on the desktop app, and vice versa. One difference is that instead of having all the links to items, such as contacts or meeting summaries, at the top of the page as you do on the desktop, in the Salesforce mobile app, the links are on the side, which means you need to sometimes do some scrolling. Your home screen is simple. It gives you a link to your meeting summaries dashboard. At the top of the screen is a menu icon, which gives you links to everything. The star icon allows you to mark any item you want to return to easily. Just tap the star and the Add Items to Favorites button. The next time you want to access that screen, tap the star, choose your item. The search icon allows you to find anything across all of Salesforce. And finally, the notifications icon lets you know if you have a notification. This brings you to your meeting summary screen. When you view a dashboard, any dashboard, you'll see a refresh icon. Tap the icon to refresh the latest data. It is a best practice, and you only need to do this once per session. Your meeting summaries dashboard shows you your meetings that were created this week, all upcoming meetings, plus meetings from your account team. One of the cool features is that from a meeting summary, you can set a next step, and if you check the reminder box, it will remind you by email the day before. When you tap on a meeting summary name, you will be taken to the details of the meeting. At the bottom of your screen are several links. The Quick Edit link is convenient if you only want to make a change in the meeting notes, enter next steps, set a reminder, or a follow-up date without having to scroll around. If you need more extensive editing, such as changing the meeting summary name, date, status, etc., then tap the Edit link, which allows you the option of editing every field of the meeting summary. The File link allows you to share a Salesforce file, photo, or link. If you tap the Show More button, an option is for you to clone a meeting summary. The clone link is for your convenience. It allows you to duplicate an existing meeting summary if the meeting summary you want to create is very similar to the existing one. It saves you from some data entry effort because fields will be pre-populated with the data from an existing record. There are a few ways for you to review an account. Either tap on the account name next to its meeting summary link, or from the account link within the meeting summary, or from your home page, tap the menu icon and then on the accounts link. From the account screen, you'll see the same account details from the Salesforce desktop version, but presented for a mobile device. You'll see the custom links, the account information, the headquarters address, and a location map. For specific content related to a detailed link, tap the related hyperlink at the top of your screen. Tap any of these categories, and you can keep drilling down. Let's say I want to check my contacts for this client. Tap Contacts, and then tap the contact you are interested in for further details. Say you want to take a look at an estimate you submitted. This is where you do that. The mobile app is designed to be clean and uncluttered. So rather than have you scroll continuously, the more important information you might require on the go will be on the menu screen. Information such as accounts, contacts, and estimates, quotes, orders. Tapping the More link provides you with links to lots of other material. Let's go back to the main menu. At the top are 3 dashboard icons in green. These 3 items are probably of most interest to you: your upcoming meetings and your pipeline. The first dashboard is the one you see when you first open the app, your meeting summaries, which we've already discussed. The other 2 dashboards are the Sales Collection dashboard and the Industry Sales dashboard. The Sales Collection dashboard is for the collections and brands, whereas the Industry Sales dashboard is for industry. The Sales Collection dashboard gives you your pipeline estimates by status, your IOs, and revenue details. This is just a quick way for you to see what's in your pipeline. This is what your manager is seeing. This is your 75%. These are all done by status. And by status, we're talking about status in general, not just by week. If you have a 50% chance of winning the business, whether it is a campaign that will be initiated next year or this year, you'll still see it as a 50% opportunity. The Industry Sales Collection dashboard provides you with IOs launching, campaigns starting, web and video revenue details, and pipeline estimates by status for this year. From the main menu, you can quickly locate a contact for an account, as well as enter a new contact. You even have the option to import a contact. Contacts here are across all of Salesforce, not just for an individual account. It's best practices to enter anything new from the account screen, including a new contact. Let's go to the Apple Link Salesforce Training account. At the bottom of the screen, you can create a new sales contact specific to that account. From here, you can also create a new meeting summary advertising. You won't see this option to create a meeting summary for an agency account. There is plenty more that you can see from the Salesforce mobile app, so feel free to scroll around. The aim of this course is to highlight the information that is probably going to be the most helpful to you when you are on the go. If you have questions, submit a Zendesk support ticket.